SuperbMelt Vacuum granulating machine is used to produce high-quality and homogeneous grains for gold, silver, copper and alloys. Let us check the machine working process. Put raw material into melting chamber. The raw material could be in any shape like bars, powder, or scrap jewelry. Seal the vacuum furnace to start heating. The whole melting process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. When the temperature reaches the melting point for 2 minutes, start casting grains. After the finish of the casting process, turn off the heating power and exhaust the gas. Finally, release the metal granulates easily based on machine water partition system. The precious metal granules are well spherical without oxidation loss under vacuum and argon protection. The precious metal granules are well spherical without oxidation loss under vacuum casting. Comparing with non-vacuum casting process, SuperbMelt Vacuum Granulator could cast metal grains with smooth shiny surface, no air bubble, and no metal oxidation loss.